Before disassembly, please prepare all the tools shown in the picture. Huawei Mate 40 Pro disassembly. Apply a screen protector. Set the heating platform to 65 degrees Celsius. Adjust platform to level 5 degrees deviation. Place the back cover on the heating platform and heat for 5 minutes. Use the Eagle safety blade. Press down gently, blade facing the surface to create a small gap between the back cover and mid-frame. Insert the disassembly tool 3 to 5 mm into the gap. Slowly slide along the 4 edges of the back cover. Keep 10 mm distance from the buttons. Stop sliding. Avoid cutting the button cables with the tool. Slowly open the back cover. Apply protective film on the camera. Remove the motherboard cover screws. Remove the motherboard cover plate. Disconnect the motherboard cover cable. Take off the motherboard cover. Disconnect both battery connection cables. Use a disassembly stick. Gently disconnect the motherboard connector cable. Avoid touching motherboard components with the tool. Carefully pry open with the pry tool and disconnect the camera connection cable. Avoid touching motherboard components with the tool. Peel the front camera mylar. Use a disassembly stick if needed. Gently pry open the front camera connection cable. Avoid touching motherboard components with the tool. Disconnect the antenna from the motherboard. Avoid applying excessive force to the antenna clip. Remove the rear camera assembly. Remove motherboard fixing screws. Remove the front camera clip. Remove the front camera assembly and motherboard. Remove the earpiece speaker and lift the battery. Remove the battery. Remove the SIM card tray and unscrew the tail plug cover. Remove the tail plug cover. Use a disassembly stick and pry open the small connector board and disconnect the ribbon cable. Avoid touching motherboard components with the tool. Disconnect the tail plug board from the antenna. Be careful not to damage the antenna clip. Remove the tail plug board. Remove the tail plug cable and disconnect the bottom speaker. Disconnect the connecting cable and antenna. Remove the side antenna mounting screws. Remove the side antenna board. Huawei Mate 40 Pro disassembly complete. Thank you for watching.